A dead battery can ruin your morning, but the right charger can save your day. Today, we're counting down the top 5 car battery chargers to keep your vehicle ready for the road. Let's jump in with number 5. Starting our list at number 5 is the eco-worthy 12-volt 5-amp smart charger. This is the perfect entry-level choice for those who want simplicity and reliability. It's a fully automated maintainer that works with both lead-acid and lithium batteries. The intelligent detection system identifies low voltage or capacity loss and tells you exactly when a repair is needed. It's compact, easy to install, and ideal for keeping your motorcycle, lawnmower, or daily driver topped off without any effort. Simple, smart, and effective. Coming in at number 4 is the Schumacher DSR Pro Series. This one is built for the heavy lifters and professionals. Unlike smaller maintainers, this unit features a massive 125-amp engine starter, capable of jumping large trucks and SUVs instantly. It is microprocessor controlled to adjust amperage automatically for maximum efficiency and battery longevity. It even includes a unique service mode to maintain steady voltage during vehicle repairs. If you need professional-grade power and a jump starter in one package, the Schumacher is a powerhouse you can trust. Number 3 is the YONHAN 10-amp smart charger, a massive fan favorite for its incredible versatility. What sets this apart is the dual 12-volt and 24-volt support, making it great for everything from small cars to heavy-duty trucks. It features specialized winter and summer modes that adjust charging based on the ambient temperature, preventing overcharging in the heat or undercharging in the cold. Its high-frequency pulse technology is also excellent for reviving old or idle batteries. It's an incredible all-in-one value for any car owner looking for smart features at a great price. Our runner-up at number 2 is the TowerTop 25A Pro. This charger is built for pure speed. With a high 25-ampere output, it can fully charge a 100-ampere-hour battery in less than 3.5 hours. That's significantly faster than almost anything else on the market. It uses a sophisticated 8-stage intelligent charging cycle to optimize battery health and includes a 100-amp engine start boost for emergencies. The high-definition LCD screen provides real-time data, and the safety certification ensures your battery is protected from every possible electrical fault. It is the ultimate choice for high-speed performance. Finally, our number 1 pick is the Hulkman Sigma 5. This is easily the most advanced and user-friendly charger available today. It features a massive 3.2-inch LED display that makes monitoring your battery status incredibly easy, even in bright sunlight. It's built like a tank with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, meaning it can survive the toughest garage environments or unexpected weather. With its 9-stage charging technology, it can even revive batteries that have dropped as low as 0.3 volts. For the perfect mix of technology, durability, and top-tier performance, the Sigma 5 is simply unbeatable. Whether you need a lightning-fast charge or a long-term maintainer, these 5 chargers are the best way to protect your battery and your peace of mind. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care hacks and garage essentials. Stay charged, and we will see you in the next one.